once loved as a child returns to you when you most need it. Now.
We interrupt this program to bring you Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show, starring Courage, the Cowardly Dog. Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bay. But creepy stuff happens in nowhere. It's up to Courage to save his new home.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad!
The moon looks good enough to buy, Jennings. What a nice addition it would make to my collection.
Yes, indeed, sir. But some things are just not for sale.
Everything is for sale, Jennings. Even people.
Yes, sir. Even people.
You should know that after 50 years with me. And another thing, Jennings. You're fired.
Jennings!